back to scrap it up.
Happy New Year!
It's our birthday. We made it in. This is going to be the beginning of our 3rd year on YouTube. So
it seems like even longer, doesn't it? Seems like we've known you forever.
Yeah, kinda.
All right, we have a prayer request list. Are we ready for that?
Yep.
All right. Please forgive me. I forgot my glasses, so I'm going to hold it far away. Michelle Eldridge would like us to pray for the family of Billy from the YouTube channel Juby. He passed away on Christmas Eve. And to please pray for his wife Julie,
really
their
shocking.
kids, and their fur babies. Yeah, that's so sad.
You could watch their videos. Definitely watch the, the ads.
Penny Troy has asked for prayers. She has fatty cysts on her liver. Jean McDonald would like prayers for the lost, forgotten, and stolen children worldwide. Henry Walls needs prayers. He's in a lot of pain from kidney stones. Oh, Henry.
Oh.
Wendy Lemke has asked that we pray for her family to find a place to live. And Tina Trombley needs prayers. She, her husband, and 15-year-old grandson all tested positive for COVID. So
prayers up.
And I got something. I was just fooling around the other day and saw that Ms. T with the T was live and was doing some kind of contest, and I went on and I got a question right and I won a prize, and there's some scent diffuser plugins. So, and they came right away. So thank you very much, Ms. T with the T.
We'll put her link in the description.
It's a fun channel. Go on over there and see if you might win a prize someday.
All right, well, it's not, we did have a green holiday season. There was no snow, and then it started to snow today, so it's kind of cold. Well, let's go out there and see what there is to see, shall we?
We shall.
I was hoping it would go this way, so I have to get the grease in here. Some nice motors. Already detached. Nice. Yeah, I'll cut those later. I'll cut them cords off later, guys. Don't you worry about it. All right, some nice pieces of metal. Right, LeeAnn?
Yep. Heavy little. Is that it?
Well, I wish I could reach that. It looks like a motor. Let's see if I can reach it.
No.
Some beef jerky. It's not metal. Oh, I see some pieces back there. Is this aluminum? Oh, plastic. All right, not too shabby. Wait. Ready to cook smoked pork tails.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, I knew all the pork would be in here.
Anything on there?
I don't see anything.
Ooh, there could be organs in there. All right. This looks festive, so I'm gonna try this. Nope. Feels like paper. All right. Looks like somebody had a party. A lot of cans in there. Take some of them out. But I don't see anything, guys. There might be something way, way back there. See that? See that bag way, way back there?
Way back. In the back. Yeah.
I'm thinking way, way. See that pink bag? What's this?
Pull it to the side over there, so I'm going to keep holding this up. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in there, so. Well, I see some illegal dumping kids. Somebody threw out an old sink. Ooh, a big one, too. Well, guys, if I was a lot stronger, I'd pull it out, but... Or if it wasn't in there, I'd get it, right?
Right. Got a fork.
Weird. Huh? Icy patches? Guess that would be a disaster. All right. Angie, we're getting new pickers soon. Get easy with it. Oh. All right, now what's up with the ham? My friend said he would eat ham, so if I gave it to him. Meat from the dumpster, so. It says reduced, right?
Yep. Put it in a bag.
All right, we'll see if he actually eats it. All right. Oh, look at all the toys.
The toss-up.
I'm just taking these two Smurfs. Okay.
Is that baby shark?
It's an Easter basket. Just a shark. Okay. Burger King. I got the Smurfs. Oh. Cute. Okay, it's another day.
Hey.
We're back at it. I got to get this done and get this edited because the Browns are playing the Steelers. We're out of playoff contention, but we still want to kick their ass. Nice. Ooh, nice and heavy. Nice decorative piece. All right. Nice, good stop. Good start to scrapping and diving night.
On the board.
Woo! We always get those.
Score. I needed those too. Scratch those off
Got
my
some
list.
cookies.
There's some classic pickles down there.
Some hot dogs. Ooh. You know I like pickles. I might get those. There's a case of Vlasic pickles, my friends. Now it looks like they put this here purposely for people. You want some of this turkey or? Here, did you get these? Or is that a different one?
That's a different.
Holy moly, there's a bunch in here.
Oh, there's some tall kitchen bags too. I like finding the stuff we normally would have to buy. And we haven't had to buy garbage bags in a long, long time.
Oh no.
Grab a couple. There we go.
All right. What's wrong with these? Oh crap, they're bread and butter. LeeAnn likes these, but I do not. Yeah, I prefer the sour type. Let's take a look at that meat. Oh, I don't know. What do you think? What?
I said I don't like to take my chances with the meat. It has to be pink and something I really like. That ain't pink enough.
What's this? No.
I'll go around that side.
All right, well, you know we like to get these.
Oh, yes. What are those?
These? Some nice grapes. Milk. Do we need one of these?
We do, but that's not a good one.
Okay. All right, not too bad.
Come a little sooner. I'd be eating steak tonight. Maybe. It might have gone bad before it came out.
Yeah, these are good until
Forever.
February 2023, so all right.
They're still good for a while after that. Take some away and put some up.
No doubt.
Have some tonight.
Pickle score.
It's gonna have to be an easy dinner because when I get back late, I gotta get the garbage out.
I know, somebody was already scrapping on our street.
While we were getting ready.
Ooh.
Possibility.
And creepy cloth. I don't know what the heck that is. I'm gonna take these pieces of wood. Where's the... Nope, it's true garbage. Look at
allergy relief medicine.
a whole thing of beef.
Oh, and the naproxen sodium.
Oh, no way. Oh my God. I need allergy relief and naproxen sodium. Wow. These are things that I use, guys. I use these all the time. I have allergies, so. coffee creamer. All right, it's pretty good.
All stuff for you.
Thank you, angels.
The dumpster gone. I'm going to be jealous of my pickles.
That's right. Also, I don't have any more pains. I was just telling LeeAnn that I have resigned myself to taking
Naproxen sodium every day.
Almost every day.
And now you have enough for the rest of the next year or so.
That's pretty crazy. I mean, are they expired or something?
Talking about it. Just talking about it.
Yes. 11/21. So we'll probably give a lot of them away, you know. Maybe somebody can use them. That's not something we would sell. Food and medication, we don't sell at the flea market. All right, guys, this is the end of our video. Look at our haul, beautiful.
Yay.
All of the naproxen sodiums.
No pain for us.
No more pain, guys. Maybe we'll have some biscuits with dinner. And of course, the pickles. And some scrap.
Always some scrap.
Thanks a lot for taking this journey with us. Don't forget to check out our other channel. Hit that like button. Why don't you for me?
And subscribe. And for all you newbies, we've got lots of videos. We're not new. Just because you just found us doesn't mean we're new. So go back and binge watch our older videos. And subscribe to our other channel too. We love you.